Hello and welcome to a new video here on my channel at Comaik. My project pool renovation from steel wall pool to stone pool is underway. Now into the 6th round. In the last video, I showed you how I built the first wall I have built. In this video, I would like to take you along during the construction of my stairs and the platform in the water. Afterwards, I will install the skimmer and the inlet nozzles. If you don't want to miss this, then stay tuned. It's about to start. In the last video, I built the wall on the west side. I completed the first 4 rows, stacked and reinforced with rebar on the sides as well as downwards in the foundation. Some areas are still open. I will close them today. Unfortunately, I didn't manage to do it last time, because now, in the middle of April, winter is coming back. It is snowing, it is hailing, and overnight there will be freezing temperatures again. This throws my construction project off track a few days or weeks ago. In the next row of stones that I will install, I will place the inlet nozzles. I will install 2 pieces of these inlet nozzles into the wall. For this, I will use these. Wall penetration. The connection is made with the flexible hose at the back. It is connected to the old connection from the steel wall pool. On the east side, I haven't made any further progress yet. I have only arranged the stones as I envision them. On the left side, you can see my stairs. They are made with formwork stones that are 25 cm high and 25 cm deep. I will build a staircase in the pool. This staircase will be at a height of 1 meter on the right, converted into a platform. This platform is bordered on the side by this wall. I will also build this small wall on the back and add a few bricks to ensure stability and increase to a height of 1.50 meters. To build the platform and the stairs, I see 2 options. In the first option, I will build these stones to a height of 1 meter. I will fill the stones with concrete. The void that results behind it will be filled with gravel will be filled and compacted to a height of 80 centimeters. On top, I will have a 20 centimeters. Build a thick base slab to create a closure. For the stairs, I could use the same principle. I could install the formwork stones at the front and reinforce them with rebar. Connect with the foundation and pour concrete. Behind that, I could fill in gravel and compact it and then build the next step of the stairs on top. Here in this area, I will do that. Do not do. This wall here at the back and the small wall back there are not reinforced. They did not have a load-bearing function at that time. To absorb the weight of the water in this pool, I will therefore generously pour concrete into this area after I have placed the formwork stones. I have set it up. This brings significantly more stability, even though it is more expensive and complicated. Coming soon. The foundation for my new terrace for the new garden kitchen is being poured. This is being built directly next to the pool and will go up to the edge of the basin. Once the concrete pump is there to pour this foundation, I naturally want to fill the formwork stones. That means the time is pressing, even if the temperatures at the moment are not exactly favorable. I will be doing today, adjust the stones and position the stairs. I will also finish building the platform. The wall. On the west side, I will add 2 rows of stones to add the inlet nozzles to be installed, once on the left side and once on the right side. In the end, I will show you. I will also show you how I will install the skimmer in the new wall. Here there is another. The special feature is that the support wall of the old pool is not aligned with this small formwork stone wall. Therefore, I will place small formwork stones that are 11.5 centimeters thick in front. In order to achieve a straight alignment, the small blocks are properly staggered with this. Wall built. A total of 2 rows, so that they finish with this wall. As soon as I complete the second one, having built the row, I will continue with 25 centimeter thick formwork stones until the final height of 150 meters. This wall will also be reinforced with a reinforcement and then with concrete poured. I have already prepared the water hoses. Here in this pipe runs the flexible pipe for the skimmer. I have already modified the electrical system. Now this can be done. The entire area will be poured with concrete. This will further increase the stability. But enough talk, I will take the camera position and you can very carefully and closely watch me work. Completed the penultimate row of the wall on the west side. As you can see, I have marked the position of the inlet nozzles. The height is 1.20 meters. The skimmer will be slightly higher. The top edge is at approximately 1.40 meters. The inlet nozzles are always underwater. However, in winter, I don't have to drain too much water. To protect the inlet nozzles from the forest, in order to install this masonry penetration, I will first drill through the stone with a long drill. Afterwards, I will fill the hole with enlarge with a core drill on both sides. Then I can carefully and proceed with the masonry penetration. I need to pierce through. On the front side, I have to use the angle grinder on the stone a bit. Cut more generously. Here, a groove is applied, which is meant to stabilize the whole structure. steps are aligned. I have already reinforced the first row with reinforcement steel, anchored in the floor and in the wall. I have placed the reinforcement steel here around the corner bent and firmly connected with the other reinforcement steel. Also, the facing here on the wall is thoroughly and properly done. To achieve a uniform alignment, I have already set it up. Also with reinforcement, I will shorten the height of the steel bars afterwards I first need to see at what height I can install the skimmer. I think at this point one can already imagine quite well how the whole thing is supposed to look. I have finished building the stairs. The reinforcement has also been installed, anchored to the walls. The platform is also nearly completed. Unfortunately, I am missing 3 end stones. Due to the current coronavirus restrictions, I can't buy them anywhere today. I have to wait until the building materials dealer reopens. I will use the coming days and fill in the transitions. This way, the concrete cannot spill out when it is poured into the stones. It will be filled in. As soon as I receive the last 3 end stones, I can also build the wall, continue building on the south side, up to the area where the skimmer will be installed later. Also, the LED spotlight can then be installed here, in the middle of the platform. But I will show that. I hope I could help you in a separate video, because at this point, I am finished. Bring over some things from my project pool construction. Conversion from a steel wall pool to a stone pool. If you liked the video, give me a like. Subscribe to my channel to see the following videos, not to miss. I am already looking forward to your numerous comments under the video. Take a look at the video description. I will link all the tools and materials I used, there so that you can order for yourselves. With your order, you support my channel without having to. You may incur additional costs here. I thank you in advance for that. Until next time.